Welcome to my channel! Learn with Teacher Ali!
English, Grade 3, Quarter 1, Week 4, Day 3. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners are able to identify high-frequency words accurately, identify text types by explaining the given text type, use content-specific words using basic terminologies in science, and compose text to react to the topic. Good morning, dear learners! It is great to see you all today. Yesterday, we talked about making conclusions. We also realized that it is important to look for supporting details before we present any idea. Now, we will be reading another interesting text. I will be showing you some pictures. Try to observe them. Students, what material are these objects made of? Very good! These objects are made of clay. Do you like playing with clay? Did you know that you can make a lot of things from it? Today, we are going to read a poem about powerful beings and how they created the world. As we read, we will also try to guess outcomes based on the given events. Before we begin reading the selection, let us first learn new words that can help us understand the poem. Rearrange the letters to form the word I am describing. Listen carefully to the clues. Are you ready? Number 1, this means powerful. Number 2, this means sad. Number 3, this means huge. Number 4, this means with little or no light. And number 5, this means shining. Here are the words. These words are examples of describing words. We use them to provide more information about places, people, or things. These words also can be used to describe their colors, sizes, and other qualities. You will encounter these words in the selection that we are going to read. Listen carefully as we read the poem. Try to put a circle to the describing words that you will see. Now let us read The Birth of the World by Fernand Kevin A. Tumalay. At first, no world was there, but Hala wanted to make it fair. It was lonely and dark, so he created things with all his might. Two strong hands shape the land and the seas, forming mountains, rivers, home to plants and animals we can now see. Bright stars light up the night. Sun and moon shone big and bright. The world will no longer be lonely and dark. Strong winds blew, the seas arose, waves would dance and softly flow. Big trees grew forming parallel lines. home for birds that soared the sky. Some eggs hatched. Life came anew. Creatures big and small, then swam and flew. Several islands rose from the sea, a home for all in harmony. A strong man and a beautiful woman stood in a line, born from bamboo, good and kind. From them, people were born. The world was filled no longer forlorn. Tribes wrote songs so grand, but Halas smiled. His emotion felt across the land. Now, students, who is Bathala? And what was the word like in the beginning according to the poem? How did Bathala create the land and seas? What natural elements were formed to light up the world? What do you mean by parallel? Use it in a sentence. Number 6. Where did the first man and woman come from according to the poem? What do you think Bathala felt after creating all those things? And do you like the story? At this point, let us see if you really understood the story that we read. I will now pair you up with your classmates. You will answer the following questions and be ready to share your ideas. Students, what do you think will happen after Bathala made the land and seas? The answer is animals and plants start to grow and live there. What do you think will happen after Bathala made the sun, the moon, and the stars? The world is no longer dark. There will be day and night. What do you think will happen after the eggs hatch? The answer is new animals are born. They can now live and grow. What you did is predicting outcomes. This means that you try to look for information that serves as clues. And based on the clues, you think of what will happen next. And now, ask the learners to reflect and complete these statements. We also learned that we can describe things based on their characteristics. Now, I will be calling some learners to share their insights. Now, you will be creating a simple story map with sections. And you will be using describing words used in the selection. From beginning, what was the word like before? For the middle, what did Bathala create? And for the end, what happened to the people and to Bathala? For future, what could happen next to the world created by Bathala? If people continue telling the story of the world's creation, what do you think will happen? Have students fill in the first 3 sections based on the poem. Ask them to predict what will happen next and complete the future section. Let them share their prediction with the class.
Thank you for watching! Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!